Lily, what day is it today? It's
Sunday. My birthday.
Wow! Happy birthday, Lily. Yay! And Lily,
Happy birthday.
what is it?
Rainy.
And next one? What is it?
Sunny.
And?
Snowy.
Okay.
I'm
where?
wet.
And?
I'm hot.
And?
I'm cold.
Next, what is it?
Chicken.
Chicken? Is it noodle?
Noodle.
You too? You can do it, Andy?
Yes.
And Lily, what?
Pillow.
It's a pillow. And? What is it?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nomi.
You don't know? Blank.
Blanket. Daddy Bob. Please.
Police officer. Good. And?
Doctor. Candy.
Potato chips.
And meat.
No, not there, Will. And ice cream. Excellent, Lily. Very good. Oh, I love you. Do you love Amber, teacher? There. Very good. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.